communications team no Benjamin Ochiankra and so I share kwan say chairman Manuel Ade be ba be ka ho naja ekwano no nessa I go share scale to US ma chia
you
Nasre
myself nyaman kitu amieni so mama kwan
mama kwan
Friday ni yi agbesi ni mami
Friday we
Echinachi Friday
ye adom praise
emi ya pa
emi ye agbe
ya be na ye wo Eliati of Water region
ebe mobile money amano
mami no so coincidentally na mene na kwa sori oka ba bia nsa na mi hu se ne ba ni agbesi
se na mami hu dwo chen ne ba
nim we ba na mi nim so
ba ko ba na mami hu dwo chen ne ba no
nti agbesi ba bia wo bia ya ma hyede kojo medase second one hwe ne man kitinkiti bi wo ha me de mi hu ameka hu me nya support afa me nya
fine
ye nyina yetim chief bani na ti hai o ye adwuma wotama ai anye ye kura na wotwe bia ofa moto we no so 3 times
sure
that's the minimum enti Ghana mpanyimfo betumi aka say ufri Accra ekotema omunhu say squatters over 500 aba moto we ekwan no ho fanyimu bia hu
yesi second year koto aba 2020
no I started na say yan na kakra bi o but for the past 2 months dodo abeka ho no you be amazed
ye koto aba hwana wa kokoko
ebedu time ebeka se ebetu no mbeka se yema compensation yes I na cost wo man
nya compensation for that time na ye beto aba
me yafa ato me junction ho say ngofo ton adia ton wo ka kwan na esorosa na nsi ebepam zongo junction fo na nke ho ada ho o ma san ba si ebe ye ne en sustain dia ne me anya kra ye mfa sika nkwohye sa ne mani koyo
medase chief habo ho den na ekoso yi yes bibi the city and no say jebe
captain medase mama fa Africa sidu na minchia ai munua senior lecturer na minchia also na umpanyfu dwumaja wodi
medase
you masuma wodi was the boy of Ghana meba so na meteu metede the one to me contest ya nyame adom orobadu na medase de nyadam sabi jidinu na dam frienden nyiso adehu wo sabi dwuma meza to hode so mepede medi mede boa me party na Ghana medase koyo no kwasa me there anya nkasa ofi bri to bri no ye ka sama kojo na ya san ya ye bibi fufur and damasemi amakan mapende say amampanyifu wotea especially the office of the vice president ubia obeni bia no wotea obutum weteye na the message wa bomodin na wedu o sentinye de emripi ni se chewa adwen na kojo aden oye ada odin faso odba bakra na yede amanyo na yeda cover ndema bia papa no wom no pon na yeja to baby now ene nsema arokodo ma sebia forwarders na importers exporters na workmen onya abadi who in this country na abano introduce you paperless. What was the purpose? The purpose was to reduce traffic and also leakages are okodo port in
now
in terms of revenue
campaign can continue.
No menyan nkrankote
Eko village villages
enyo mko baby mugudo onye juma kakraba you have to go all over until you go. Captain, you see, Becca Alaji Dr. Baumia, maybe Obama catch a hen in there. You know, I encounter young one, Beshafu, you know, I want to know one friend sent there. Why you do my papa be other mine? Do you understand? Also, you know, I encounter boom, Beshafu, you know, Antonio, one friend sent there. Why you be papa or that man, Ghana?
That's my God,
baby papa.
Is it Antonio?
nche wa abojuma nti bibi papa why ye no onye then is about the paperless ekaya. Yes, and the paperless and the purpose in the reduce the traffic. Revenue, protecting the public person. Yen share skill room you know habon yen sum ananya dam not. Na said dam not traffic na wo wan kasa wo hwe na wama why easy. Other mad stakeholders nwa wo dinkita ho se bi offer njama kra through customs through the port. Nande CTN our by CTN ni juma or by in there obaboa mankrofo se bi wetum we declare njama papa ana njama potia ehon wa exporter na we importer. Is it not a job for customs to do in terms of protect the public person? What happens to them level na Ghana Customs opedodu Ghana Port and Harbours Authority wopedodu? What happens to them one collaboration now wadi juma? The customs under the GRA, them juma dina ye na ya achieve na ye service car because we want why all this? You see what is happening in the port basically in the say how now you have to go through CTN. And CTN is giving a whole lot of charges. Captain, a whole lot of charges, euros, dollars. Na onuna sebi oh there. A BRO ship in the man offer ho na okona so oko okaji a certain CTN a friend then note one number one shipping advice do and sana you have it on your bill of lading now offer hikusi. What is the sense in that? Captain said equal bridge na kota de na na impano enyine wonyo akase wi na wa park ndema ni nyina wi no there forward information edeba to CTN ne website do o taking 24 to 36 hours na okona or the validating with no verification. The fact the system now ban on wa checking, wa validate the okay. Captain now a koto and send you a parking list now invoice now de edamam until now you can go ahead and through a shipping line and then forward your cargo into Ghana. Captain, say how a wajin de pede a data system which that is what you have been doing. Ebadi no chere nyimpa na ono kwa akoto from the supplier and hon ontum onye nhihye ya or forward them information or to CTN website. CTN will validate if they are telling us that all this while processes now or cordon because of ABR over or under declaration in T. And I wanted them I didn't want to. Then it is simple there customs under GRA another woman when ejuma do ye and then they have to do friend and customs to customs cooperation. I will to set a platform sir. So what there what na what's some when juma ma but you see this kind of ye create a juma enfa mobi ye create a juma so da mobi a Ghana fukro na wo na nkasan you go and do this whole calculation it can be almost about 200 euros or additional cost odribama obia oye juma obia odi nenzama odriba krum ha through the transit cargos na dinyinara everybody must go. Okay, CTN Nankasan, look, GCNet I will use. Do you know sometimes even with one large network now operating, do you know sometimes and them are Orkochiwa paperless rebay and Crawford sit down strikes and because they are thinking the ABI between your network system failures obotum wide wa cause delay one them intininka wonya boteron famon that was the cry. Now want to one you want you answer adwuma na won hold on one hook up so that they can be able to work. But Captain, if indeed yesterday a pede protect Crawford crime Zamaba Damana was the ban. If you able to me in duties, sika more than my union because in Crawford under declare. That one crana or inspect goose or chroma. Now wama friend and values might take to your duty. Who does that? CTN no background you then. What one background you then? How long have they been involved in them? Most countries are where them container tracking OT with all this info. Is our countries are one what was so many issues and sebi binum crow how nan tokwana and this one. But if the purpose of it in a track because you pay from the point of shipping, you detailed information of what is in the container. So that we achieve the revenue another Ghana ibutum yensa ka sika or the yensa ka asomana. Hey, is it for a government GRA to come into a partnership or joint venture with a company called CTN? CTN Nankasankasano, ne Customs to Customs Corporation, Otum Obakasa on authority. That because of them platform here, he has offices across major countries, major shipment of him other ba, another import of him or ba over Dukroma. So they also have some checks and balances, or some sort of verification to the information. A friend and a freight forwarder, another importer, another exporter, and all the money forwarder, I was sending them information now, man. What other checks are they doing? About what they can we verified, and information I can on team validate, or the fact is that you will send the packing list and the invoices to them and let them know that this is what I have in my container. This is the cost I bought them, and I'm bringing them in. I will validate before I'll go through a shipping line. Look, every vessel that calls into this country, there is a manifester or a mandatory there, or they will declare what the Ghana Customs. Now, at the point of one shipment, it is for them to declare that, look, customs has so many rules. Obi oba na any declaration no feel there. Them declaration no why short change aban no Sunday. There will be a whole then maba. That's why they have officers that sometimes when they need be, the field officers go in and cross check to make sure that indeed. In the manner I presented in mind, can't friend and Jerry at this point in Krofu P sebi. What you say Juma pa 1 year a Juma yen. Can't Aban sit down and look at it from the point there? Then GRA know with all the experience at customs other Juma fitted base in there. One create a platform biara Obama way to training in Padodoa. As customs exercise and preventive, Wobotum, whatever come back to them situation. Even the state institution are award the capacity to do customs to customs cooperation with all countries. Or finding difficult to do this to make sure they and them whatever inside and are not under declared. We are thinking that when we give it to a company called a company no a CTN now. The CTN will be enough to and track from which point? From the point of you giving the same person the information. My goodness. Why? Yes, we cannot just sit down and then think be outside the box and no. Indeed. If it's the public person, you are also even opening another avenue for Obia. Also, say be Obaji Jessica Defi, Ghana for these same people are already complaining. They are already complaining with the system in power. Try they be clean with all the paperless through the port, and people are complaining already. Then you go and bring this there. Okay, if that is the case, now you have to forward for CTN to give you the validation with no verification. Because I don't know what they can come out and say that, well, per the information you are giving us, no, this is the verification before we validate it and give you our code for you to go ahead with your shipment. And now, we know what it is. Until Nadina Ababe fast through the system, you have no hand until there, Ebana Ababe. I don't understand. except that it is just trying to create some job for some people somewhere. Also, overburden Ghana. Nobody is against the fact that customs, but they will enhance we do mama will make sure that leakages or system no will block. Fantastic. Now, on no customs on na otum on my declaration, on my go ahead with all the inspection company, whatever values that come. If customs in its wisdom are reasonable grounds to doubt the documentation are presenting, there is something more that he has to inspect. Nothing. There is they are protected by the laws they work with. Nothing stops them. The Woboko Feda to check. And indeed, if it is under declared another even valued, Uwankasa we too one assessment. Now I'm more them costing aquaculture. Nobody else can do that. And you know, for me, I don't see, in fact, me who roller city and Obaba player. Oh yes, so a new, it brings something different or protected. In effect, we are saying that the customs people they are not able to do the checks and balance and make sure that cargoes that are cleared from the port are invoiced properly.
Right.
But the system that we have until CTN comes in to validate your documentation without verification for customs to. Now, if customs has other issues with that validation with CTN, are you saying that now that there is a validation from CTN, customs has no power to do anything again because it's a CTN have validated that and the information that by now accurate? I don't understand.
All right. Ben.
What you? I'll say a national cathedral. Topic
Aye.
I eat the proper quema because I think the area minimum hunim dina sabato ntinoma the cathedral na na yebaka.
Maybe a twema ye programs are na yebre even baby a hebeye no. Nti yesi National Theatre say the be major programs. National Theatre no senye Uncle Bo White anka ye duro nka dan e bia senke ye dwirigu fom yesi dan fefefe. How did we manage the place? Enye honkwa masheda sometimes edu ba bia na o say o tena sena o dwene ho because as a wo how ho kra dodo me twam Coastal region am say ma me shedam fa Aburi Gardens, one of the treasures ye wo asoman Kojo. Aburi Gardens, I'm wondering say your managers wo ha anopace obi tia ontu am say nkomo resign mum e dan si ho a enua o enya flowers enua efifi dan so Aburi Gardens
No special
oh there be sir nchama so me ya agree bia omot ho ma edan na pro baby kura omode ayi na ye ohu titi dan na ye ya de enua ene Samson no aye nante se veranda no pictures wa enua ni nyina pro nti nya de nipa betumi anante afa ho aye o managers wo ho den omo ye den tipa na etu omoka. I don't get it. Nti ye hia niam ye be kan fefefe esi hia National Cathedral ye ba besi na ye si wi a enhihye be na ye di ato me san tete so say ye say nya aban na esi o churches ne na diska ebe aban ne obeya ne say obema o masase nti ebe aban dia na hwan dia modalities be na ye di beto say asori
so for say
aban dia okay nti say
Inti say behind here.
Okay. Interviewer.
Over here interview.
Okay.
Secretary of the trustee.
Yo, medas.
Board of trustees.
No, one is kind of this.
Maybe send a was you obey one other. Not obey a banza.
Boy, one is kind of this.
Overquack solicited funds.
Oh, okay.
Chief, picture ya.
No.
In the end, this is a few dinosaurs. Inti National Cathedral. Oh. Silos na Kwame Nkrumah see North Candice here and also enua fifi dan na pampam okwa dental snake flat a den bi si wa over 15 years ehun paint da
Salus no
tema
cocoa processing no sunu kwahe
so nti the idea would have been good me say o say e share that per one day wo na nka yen kwodran yen hwe kolebu de maka me se me nka bio kolebu chest clinic say e catch o say nipa da ho a o ye yarefo a o were be ho doctors etna ho ye adwuma you no believe kolebu chest clinic say minsuro if I'm not exaggerating me say e ho ye tansin the worst hospital we have in this country abesa clinic per time na kohwe ho na se wunua ba ye nurse ana doctor ana obusue nimpo yare a obema na ko ha obia mfo obia ho enti national cathedral ye besi o sika bekom sa asore ne betua bi se individuals betua bi yesi wia yemye hu a policy document on that structure say asori A person ye program asori B person ye program e bi asipen onim sa say obi person ye 31st night na ansori akese mienu e pray the same venue nti we ye besi no when the besi no at what time are we going to have national programs there? Would that supersede asori na omo 8 years come here DS no we need a document on this and san ye besi yesi na yesi wi a ansan kofa wantwi wi a ma say na we so sin we sa na ma na wo se ehwe ni na me kan si asem to say yem hwe kwan ye fa so a ye national monument and structures no ye be maintenance edumre bi ma say government institutions bi a me be say be say manisan obi government institutions security agencies ni bi say so oba so obeje dan kra ma no workers a na nkofo mpe say o me de be ma wo it sounds on better on be hopoto as a dino. E bedu mra on betunu na edan gisi yebu etugu. Enti yame yanim ko hu yiye se enya si yesisi dan ya yesisi dan keke. Yesisi dan yem fan hye ntu akwam na wo be ko setalo oil na esi dan ya esi ho so odin ya the officer. Wafa project manager ni obi o ha facility manager. Adwuma o ya nsa ohwe dan no so. Nti yenya bia aban structures are spread all over no ye inventory ye hweso hwan na hwe se e bia plumbing works kakra bi koso leakage na nam dan ho tantantan na ve na starting fu na ye basa hwan na hwe se saa ne manema yi ye betumi ahweso yi ama nchirima ba because wo hwe even documentaries on structures e wo UK edan ni bi o ha e di over 300 years. And so ahoden da so it's all about maintenance. Your transport said you nyen nsen ya o yes o ya. Basa when you have time oko Cape Coast na takra dia hwe second D stadium my CC o. Aye poto. When na shenza. When na shenza. Na when na hwe so. Enti say the various ministries at Western House no I was see enye obi a ohwe aban ejapade so meboa. There must be somebody in charge. Na yen hwe ne yen toto ye niam yie na ankoba ne saade a na asesika na ne etu keke kakra meka hono say individuals bi say omo prince bi so omo mpene so me dia na mabisa is it right is it against the law yet we must have some parameters ebe me ye dia measures ade ne yenya na se yenye esan say nya bibia ne ye ya obia beka so pene so what you say anybody be even we have had Muslims also on Peninsula aban be subsidize and nkofo nkomeka oh yeah anti obia ne nadwen but yen hear the larger interest say ebeboa ya yensi ne me personal view ne say yesi ne keke ana yesi ne ahweso yi me da say
so that's chief
captain
deputy national organizer
captain me da say captain national cathedral semi oyaja yemu bi no ochiri adwen kakra captain yim dey wo national akonfo yim dey wo akonfo across the country yim dey freedom of association or a part of Yembra ebotu ma kire obi se be captain asora onko na asora momonkwa
David
Anuntina yenga food mripi na ya kasa etumi ehwe TV ana eso ebi asofu bi mesimo di na njuman omo because ono feed of her actions asofu ni there be won ya soradam ono so na adwenyin sofu no so by that time ojina se bi TV do twamfo yin no ye ono na adwenyin na nyamesum njuman na ye de Orion. After there, so for be wafa kwambi no aye na asoro ma mrache no ma wakadafi adida since I see do atibi. Captain religion we na motinyi de yenyina yenyim de sebi a oye din de be fa amana pima baka de e be ko ne ko hunde nipa nyina wo belong to religion krope ene nanse ya education ya ye di free SHS be until there was the double track aba enjoy a shift system enyim de double track it is practiced by chapel and change there chapel p na no power morning service you abre why and eboko early first mass we are be so about second one because one obotu one aba na patutu ne bia no be by that time and on them not we have to tread cautiously. President Akufo-Addo oye adwuma tire ma one no energy drink antinu when energy oye adwuma too much but ansha na ono mesi mo field oye adwuma no not here kwaku dum pempendu bia odo how odo atete odo otan not the baba him. You see, some people are raising issues there. Baby my Ekosi Cathedral na charge photo. I think yes I'm man. Ghana no and I'm not. Now Oman Ghana ni yes I'm na KJB onka Oman Ghana ho. Sebi chebi onka Oman Ghana ho. Na dam jina biwe ayeye iba adepoti. Ena sebi yehu de onyi hon otwe di kwechiri damenti. The madden in maybe I be or how I drink tea a pedia no. About the pot, tell me, I will catch him. In that free SHS Abama school for Sebi, Wabako shift to Sunday school nandos. So, my paying all basis in Obacado Bubu Adom FM no basic school down her. I'm sure Benyan Crawford was supporting. Because we'll be in there, you will how be a or the wa. Yen I heard there by. To them how nasi. The minti say wo to anamona or ye dam how na wa bada hon on intine you captain. Yen hwe bibi. Em na judges are all krum hanyina the third arm of government which is the judiciary. Are you telling me the judiciary no ye judge bia na say be wetum we provide down with that man? Make sure they be no hide down. Because only facility will be my one. Even at all one crank room, how Gramin did Obiana no atona when you're no bangalow fully out Ibia, Waman, a Juma Crane, Bibinti, or Tibaby, protection or Ansana, if you build to bring Obenya baby more Cotton. Captain, we are told there, young yede. Asomano, young yede, Yeniska, Antino, say craners or the Eshe, na ono no wakafa CTN and Nasifuninabe. Siko runwin na di yenhwani yensu. Captain as a damn nota. Eba de pa na ochre de se cathedral ni yensinu Oben Parliament House. Yensinu Oben International Conference Center. Yensinu ebu Oben National Theatre. Yensinu krom kesa. Cathedral no ntumi ye cathedral. Da menti nyede ye ba besi dan kekewo. Edan osisi ho na ye baba bunu so ye wie na ho ne akape bebi ne edama ho at another cost na asoma yeti he ya comedy yeti he ya petrol ne to wa hende yeti he ya obia ba so kwa na obia esumda bisa no ye den also ofro pampanyi amanfo why na ko ye ko. Because he a day penache that same is utrima and you Yankopon redwin ho na at that moment in import we could do them situation women another say be itwa wenya nyimpa edi wenyi batono do as woman panyin do bobo no nyi wana catch them. You see, I think the abai Yankopon si yanka no ko America out the bay okada is in a hurry to work and Ebiana is in a hurry to work, but in terms of the Oba prioritize ninjuma opedo yenede. Yankopon Fabian Chen. Sentient there. We don't have to be discussing this matter as we speak. In fact, people should come up and say that, Oman Penny initiative, and they will Kwakusi Cathedral, Ebia Wadam BA, Bana Kwakoja Sasa, when you're him for a wako cat sword, now Aban, Yebuhunda indeed. Indeed. Na asomanu na si mover na oyada oye sumbi ana oye bibia offer ye nyina ye hu dam nti obi abotu mu dinam kita hu na etu wana mo na rekwa na nyim de etu wana mo na rekwa dam bie sentinyi na dam bie ye rekwa dam facility no wo ha rekwa ko use. You see, I think that abano, I don't know. You see, I don't know. Munhu moro kodo kra na munhu enwa sebi because look adi raise issue supi na ima enti yesi dam cathedral yewie na yewie ya sanso ya adwendwen ho na ya kache ofrene esebi hu a wohia dodo ho so o man because cathedral na ye besin oboboa o man nyina asusu ampara so se hu de ye kai mu chapra onyu bia no obobadam chapro no. And if we are looking at it from that point, ibade pana oma sebi pempendra ye decided the cathedral no here so much into baby my judges yenko bubu na. People are talking about one or finance, that's not the issue. Even at all say yen koni and ko hene finances imponi and famba. I didn't kasana fundamentally baby my starting. Many have raised issues and they think that Onyada obutu wine or the insisana mbwabia she papa needs okay fantastic. Now even at all the mother that no honor your money dina ye hujuman or today about it different na ye. Is it a pedi bibi keke no boy in there ye be yenti obia na ye anade adina ye because ye jidi de Ghana fu nyina di jidi a she mu da wo na ebotum sebia enye akọ. Enti was the same by when you neji to my yani ajatum, and Tinanado Danko Akufado, Uncle Nunkubo man, Daminti. I mean, what is this? Or how pure my yedrin, who one casako for school feed the abba, school free SHS abba. Mande will feed the school for and the way day must say, Minyoka say, and what you will. O Sunday yin there, on Yesica Sama, and the old resource ne will be anka boom. One on don't pay the neighbor could be free. And the complain BBI was a man complain because another Danko Akufado be or the free SHS Aba. The reason being that young bomb was in the entasi na in the shift system I yenj na yen sam review na yen botum yen be shift in Messi Mobaya Dama Obi Abaku school na sebi National Cathedral no to nya boten kakra yen na epedi shema so man ne bompire entum ko Independence Square. Na won boten to honye juma de bia. What are you talking about? Na this is much na programs are where I enjoying with Nsubo tomato. A glow for unyo no with juma o ma wo frem panyimfo ekuku da ma won na woba. Empena he na damo sumon ye bom ye. Nti say adza ye ya obobo man kura na o captain obi nka de ye nya ye ho na asase no wo ho na ewuska ye nyi dam yi no ye botum ya ye. I'll be back at the Mayan. Dabi President Akufado. I'm there. I don't know.
But was in your abandoned scan was easy.
Whatever it is, no one to Bubu down or na abandon movie.
Of course.
So the moment I get Bubu Nimponya Abaniska, ban should be interested. Now Bancha and to Abamande on Kada Hononity and Sama Sebi. And then I say one go one kaya papaya or you opening buzia. Why you do what that boy my President Akufado went to Huka who uncle program living to effort. Jumaja why you wait your my friend and major cry. So why the Wobubu judges want that no Wakusi Cathedral on the Onyasa more ye some.
Okay,
on the ordinary no.
Yeah,
Admission. Catholic Institute of Business and Technology, CIBIT. A private university at Dabraka, Accra, National Accreditation Board. Achi Atum wanted edition for our degree programs this way: information technology, accounting, public administration, marketing, finance, human resource, banking, religious studies, and church administration. CIBIT ne Legon, KNUST, Edin Sawaswo. Frey 0242 22 02 29 0266 67 90 28. Website www.cibit.edu.Ghana. Open forms at Yacha Kwaiwo Workers College at Abraka a Ben Natho. Benya forms no be ato ewo Ghana Post Office ewo Ghana Maimunina.
Bema, Nesikano Musida. Me dofo, ni yoma de be na ji ha sei.
Oh, Cindy Rice. Oh, more out to me the year Muediani Bia.
Sir, which I say, watch it, plain rice, fried rice, jollof, any amutu.
And the midofo.
Oh, wow. And yes, I mean, how biao, Mamma can share.
Oh, Cindy Rice, oh, hey, dear, only how bia.
Umia.
Hello?
My anchor's watching. Hello, dear. Mini how bia.
Cindy Rice.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Food and Drugs Authority.
Eko na kotodwene akrante pa na ugodwa ne so sei nyaska se bibia na so betimi ase adan o bema
onua me de jamina nkana monten so ansase bo dendin me de nkoto ansase si adan
o we de me de asem esio asase ane boda fam a efufufu bonu be fene service plot eda proposed airport city a ewo Tripoli
onua asam no krapa na o ka kire me
a o kla na me ma ya ta koto ne de
onua nya kire mu kakra kire me mu
ma me kan cho ma so twebie ni asase we hu nsio ni kanea so wo e na kwan nyine didemu kama
oh wow
asase affairs a ton 8,000 Ghana cedis kani 80 million say say mo dey about 4,500 Ghana cedis fufu just omo yi 3,500 Ghana cedis efisu room e dey amount
onua ane we dey wa kire me ade pampa
o hwe mo kire akwan omo wo adjacent Ashama Municipal Assembly opposite Queen's Hotel wetin me afro mo 020-142-7331 and I say 024-325-7223 030-290-7841 Amanak Real Estate, you dream it.
We am kunimdefo ana. Wo be pese wo da yesu nyina bebe mu ana. Enie, Virginia esombo. Cowbell Gold, Choco Milk Drinker, ahodia hyemuma. Yenya ye koko efri Ghana haya ne de ayo. Nti nia wotie bia, bebia wo hye bia. Dinkunima wa brabo, Virginia esombo. Cowbell Gold, eya hodema nkunimdefo. Enkai boy FDA ahwehwemu ana wagye atum.
Praise. To take it here. Take it in your sister Ghana flat. When you take it to a Joy FM, Airport Shell, Bachona Tota, Perez Dome Bookshop, and after Tamafue, Ayatama Community 11, number 2 Shell, and after Adum FM, Ewo Kokomemle Accra, Joe Junction, 31st August, our Perez Dome, Adum Praise 2018 is brought to you by Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Yield Money Plus, Fasusu Talk, sponsors, DBS Roofing Sheet, Roof Papa Pafie, Bell Aqua, proudly Ghanaian, Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Tea, Adabri Joe, Away, Amanak Rare Estate, you dream it, we build it. Franco Trading Enterprise, from Papa Pafi, Vitamec, a meal on its own, classic no mosquito coil and spray, Obede Fili, Escort Security Services, think safety, choose Escort Security, Goldman Capital, financial support, solid as gold, Big Boss Energy Drink, Bossita, Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it, Polar Eyes, your number 1 angelic gel, NBF Gingival Gel, new best friend for your mouth, Willet Investment, where genuine land is sold, Luzentel Tablet, formulated to overcome malaria resistance, Oba Spaghetti, food you can trust, give us power and give us eyes, Trelido, Africa's strongest burglar proofing, securing your blessing, Calipo, feeling good, Fresh Lady, Yopo Fresh, Araba Bazan Capsules, Ubeye Oba Sima, Tumira Herbal Research and Clinic, Ayari Safi, Adum Praise 2018. Yeah, baby.
We am kunimdefo ana. Wobɛpɛ sɛ woda yɛ so nyinaa bɛbɛ mu ana. Ɛneɛ kɔgyenia ɛsombo. Cowbell Gold Choco Milk Drinker ahoɔden ahyɛ mu ma. Yɛnyɛ yɛ koko afiri Ghana ha ya ne yɛde ayɔ. Nti nea wotie bia, bebia wo hyɛ bia. Di nkunim ma wabrabɔ. Kɔgyenia ɛsombo. Cowbell Gold ɛyɛ ahoɔden ma nkunimdifo. Ɛnkae boi FDA ahwehwɛ mu ɛna wagye atom.
My Samsung Galaxy J6 display no Jayo to me Danny Baby cinema. Joshua you cram travel cinema feel. What is
it? Me phone there. And one a cram no. Me Samsung Galaxy J4 to me stop bibi biara me ya wo brain. And what 32 gig internal memory. Yen ya go.
And myself try and Nika say, and what 24 megapixel front camera. Mrs. Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus no. What's the Instagram na?
Me the Samsung Galaxy J7 do and in the dual camera ni trap pictures a ni da wangaza. Asem pese me photographer kra.
Send you original via bia. There was Samsung Galaxy phones ro ko anya said yama wo. Intiginia yama. Send you ni buetie bia nso no Fata. A boni free 799 Ghana cedis. Equity 1799 Ghana cedis. Samsung yama pa ne board da form.
I don't want 6.3. Ekoya ya sayaba. Akasema duna na nondu abo. Samba kwa wiki ya shasi ya beto mwaye. The comeback of JM. Ena. It's a graphobi to so munye party leadership pa ombe kopi. No, you see, every time I want to say, you're serious as a country. Do be or pep party be a national position? Yes. What is all about this?
Now we are science and now we are psychology.
Me say ni be or pep party be national position as a say because without a political party, there's no government.
Without
a political party, there is no government. It is a yekofa buying abana party in a day buying beba. Nani pobe di party and him not drink ya. A buying a beba na buying us wadrin ye.
Nine people for no drink.
Man can say party be me say if you nekui. Obi ope party be a national position be everywhere na dream.
Na te dem people for no happen. One day if you en nekui.
And yes what's it? Chief 10 no
enti
ni pare bi wow what is us
Gojo for you against our
what you be so yeah national chairman
hey Gojo
oka say to say we na no aduane be so na we do say nchine ni mo me ya branch na de atum
Gojo you all say the presidential elections and answer flag bearership selection so as against party selection we say one my friend finish say answer na obegina party position no na as I say why adwuma ma party no ai nipa nimo ehun ya carry we ehun say asumasi susu ampa one your one loyalty to the party, the sacrifices you have made, and a lot of things. Unyuma nememi akase adwuma no oye na oye niye.
The late
na osan ede toto ho a na ya san hu say baby a wo pese wo kan kono wo ho nimdie wo ho nyansa wo ho ahoden a wo betumi dia ye adwuma na na
asan ehun the late o Mario
traffic
na yo bi o
ehun the late o Mario
na ya say
national first vice chair. So it's
the only later Otumosan Oba studio.
Enti yes.
Chairman Akwaba. Na then is here.
And this is the third program ever.
Okay.
Na back when I'm say upon 9.
Now why that be chairman na je adwuma ni na bodo. Maybe some here.
No dey corporate. Corporate say be adwuma. Ya ma adwuma na ba be na ba ko.
Enta me kase. Ni pari be say. Debi he. Enta me kase.
Ko 3 program.
Enta me kase ni pari be o na adwuma. Obi o program na wa na wa kwankwan.
Na president mo adwuma ye na ye busy.
Chief, obi o program na
I applied for me party. We select a pray. Extra home class me ba be.
But
and I trust na adwuma ye adwuma.
So what do I?
Anything I drink here, Juman, what country am I in the party? Obi to never call programs, so maybe 30 hours or on Kenya and Samba.
You ready? Yeah, my me and now is that Yamfa Abia time, Nakakana Academy. When you're baby or so, I want him. Not me, Minimpa, Chapel. Oh, you know, Chapel, and media may come and what President Mahama Sobeba. Any purpose on the contesting. May canon there. They say, Mammy Kate, me, I declared my support for her. So,
Mammy Kate,
Kate Jamfua.
I want to Muslim be Coco contest support.
I will always support.
Who support Coco?
Muslim.
I will support Coco. We will support Coco.
That is my position. I support women.
On your first time, I remember there.
Support Coco.
Support Coco.
Chene
kwetu.
Support Coco.
Te Mamekan. Inti omo
kan numbers on kan wa said that they.
Onu si etuntum ti say obi si akoko ba be content.
No, on me nye be sia.
Trouble.
I will support
naturally, I will support a woman. That is my stand.
And they say people contest me about.
You support the woman.
And NDC contest be sia Coco bi go. Impre bobo my case.
Men say time trouble.
I'll contest.
Campaign am yema onesi.
Also bako.
No kweni nyame you don't need research. You don't need here into unko school da umu se broni ba unse broni na ebe.
Baby also know you free.
Yeah.
What you free ojo ben. What?
President Mahama will win the primaries. Obi onene be ko bia obe say nye ni sika nko be say ni nema nyina nti nema bi o ha yen kan with your time obi o ha me from hindsight na me hu ni say obi o ha o be so na ho ode ahwe not for now say bia going to the future no say President Mahama etumi wini no be president crowd betumi akọ one term nti so no free ho a na sata na bia nipa na ton ni din dida na nkoba ne saade a kameka se nkomu nyai. Because you waste. Mahama will win the primaries, and there's no doubt about that. Enti omo person omo last week me can say, wow party ni, and this is not the first time. O party ni ko jina election. Na mudi mu ho term, na mu to ayampia na sa na ma. Enti se nipa ni wini a, mo be me more bagbi. And you know where bad of course last week you heard the things at to be guy and those people what can say what can say condom use come on
do you know that is called political ejaculation. Allow them to
for me
I think Jala be a very risk to himself and to the nation.
Why
you free.
Oh, I
saw that. Oh, yes. Also, two quite hard. Krogo also Kenyans in here. Oh, you said it. Already.
Omar, stop.
Oh, all the kind. Oh, all the kind. What can make out?
And you know, kind of Usuroka. Now we're free new fee. We're free new fee. Bobo ministers won't see.
Bobo you monto aso baby of the economy
me also free if you name some bobo ministers of state
so how many you
me go be any do
so free
now I don't know about
there is something there's very something sensitive and very important you can Mr. Fuamoni say oh school na nkofo na ofri no yeah exams so no difference
exactly na papa o kana so here professor
Atubiga I listen to him.
Hey, moya you.
Baby, Atubiga Makase.
And you don't know your easily your friend who considers your friend.
Chief best.
No, your chairman.
And this is more presidential aspirant. On the converting.
Honorable Jacko,
on the converting. O presidential aspirant on the converting. Atubiga be converting.
It's all out of form.
Captain. Oh, sir. Presidency and chair bro.
Beauty of democracy.
No, man ko. Democracy is expensive. And ya dear bia necessary na do so many president.
Captain.
But one way ya. No, that is the one thing we should stop doing.
But one way ya.
Get up the president.
Who is anybody? The Constitution of Ghana says that if you are of a sound mind and you are now are you a doctor? What are you saying?
One more political position. Constitution is you must have a sound mind.
Our captain will pump card way. Our life show I do.
Sound mind.
Spiogabra say.
Hey, now I learned this in But
that's the friend saying.
No, but he didn't come in. He has to talk about the city. He has to talk about the cathedral.
5 minutes.
The cathedral. What sorry, Asanami. Yekwa sorry, Asanami.
And as Spiogabra say, NDC 4 candidate now ban. I'm bet you and says a corrupt person, and says he attacked the corrupt, and he must also not be tagged as incompetent. San and Raspio kind.
Yeah.
Now, and I Joshua Labi. Just a bit of maybe. I never acquire me there.
Now, Spio trade minister, then he between such as the Spio say, Pobio, competent. On a trade minister, then on train near fire and some
also could run ye juicy jobs in your food. I say,
what is juicy job?
And a minister in hanging home.
What is juicy job? Alan Kura, one is 150 on the time.
Catching how I have been divided, your fool, Papa for me. Those are being born and said,
Papa, assemblyman. And obey MP, and obey deputy minister, and obey minister, obey vice, and obey president. And I bet now say, when giant future, and you from Mano. I'll say, oh, Jai. Oh,
I want to let you go.
He's coming to ride Bonnie, all the wrong for D, and also obey truth for best to say, but never can cry. But the NDC for no some of the kind. The sense of the sense no more people nipa up no.
What's him now okay?
Say unim ye do din ba muso ya MP na all declare man. Na say one nye di one nye fun me for di anhye ho. We pura. O ko candidate the chief team pa bisa no. Say also your candidate wo pribi. Na say unim na ko bie wa no say o pe regional chairman na say national executive be say the chief mo pri. Na say one ko to ho boa. Say omo de omo for say Mahama.
One answer no.
Say Mahama.
So omo for say Mahama.
As Spiogabra say party no ko yi candidate. Only candidate. Onya corrupt. Na yentimi nkasa oye incompetent. It is pure asem na ochire.
It is pure na asem na okay.
And this remember that Medjid said this before as Mahama about opposition after Olusu with over 1 million votes, you know. Wakosisa. They say also about on introbium. Can you know didn't trust them? Say about Sia Colors of Home ye, fair no home, also about full soldier from them, comrades now go from the full soldiers. Over home ye, and this was a Sunday. Now, one would this was some Chairman Tenabo, Bianca Sabium count. Oh, you see, house. And Chairman Casabi, Chairman Casabi, oh,
them not is a none of my started because I got 2 minutes in my happen.
Oh, yeah.
No, I said I said to Lord the Wobo.
Oh, yeah.
Chief in the mayo, Jesus, make it to me, Kabameka.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Okay.
And yet, May Empire, Bonsi, better by watching a Timia Bojuma Ghana yet. Ghana, yes, success, Ghana, Timia Tumpo, Ghana, Nibia benefited from the good works of Nana Adudanko Kufuano, and Empire airborne. Now, the beb boy and me Timia trans watch, I had Jumani Yeno, and so Mufio, one of their almost say Papa near popular. Interesting. Okay, it's a mere Bamian statement for the elections. Yes, we know you are competent. We know you are popular. We see your pictures and posters. We see your people around talking about you all the time. But when we see you, we remember one thing.
Jida, Sada,
Super.
The
band. Can be my. You know, I can't. You're fear. Na uko share wabetna bamu ama Ghana ya kodi say and the projects into me so ba obeti na teacher trainers allowance obe ye free and so be continue next training allowance obe continue na obe ye free sir one district one factory one village one about twice one as obe ye free because we are casting sustainable or say one school feeding no and sustainable it cannot be, it's not possible now
school feeding.
Oh yeah, school free SHS untimin kayo
they was progressively free.
No so more casting no casting nepa miensa on court and this for miensa 3 cases different you know almost 6 yeah this are the embassy ebe free form Enti say omuntimi kan na mo
mention their names.
Oh, there are some I'm so meanwhile. There are some friends and people.
I go here 3.
Oh, Tifu.
I go here 3.
Chama we na yampo.
Enti so mo dem for so asesa. Na say
la. Chama we ma yampo wo de kasa bedum ne mic.
Dem na be show now.
Chama kasa na yampo.
Enti ye de wo ho. We know what we want as a nation. We know what we want as people. These people say they want to come back. Yeah, they say Ghana for and I say NDC for no feel say crop for your master some subai. Better with the young and ya. No time remember I want to be another 4 years because about 4 years now. Also time or test first no back commit me for 8 years. But onim so obeko next elections onim so obeko elections po say no yeah no about transfer onim say 4 years yeah me bet transfer the main elections be. Can you imagine time I know this no oh so many no one
dey come each one oka
one say omkrofo na kasa omba no musu si entimi hu na papa no entimi hia no papa no nti asem
let's say president or sabe
I'm talking about you. But
that who should na so onye comedian tell me say o hwe na say o ko hunu. I say obi beto be catch am say na do dan kwa hwe na mi.
So must ya call us the clock strike no.
Ense se musu de binum ko.
Manu.
Abro ya kwado so defend mu bi.
And then I start to a friend.
Say agenda.
Masa twena ba.
Na say ankasa you won't get it. Nti kasa na get it anaba.
Okay.
Oh, abro tell you on your file.
Oh, how? Mr. Wankasa,
well, that's what Kasa buy a contract to come man. People demand my
or Kasa. What should I say?
What's a contract near the man, my and the girls be? Girls be sure now who are near the be amount. I brought the man, my and Bako cried your sister. Monkey the work baboon the chop.
Captain.
No, by
we are determined to fix the nation. Okay. They are determined. We are almost Papa and they are competent enough. Incompetently 2 years, but I'm transfigured. Transmogrified. I am competent.
2 minutes now coming to be chief for one Sanfante.
Oh, Captain.
Chief, I be on Abeka. What can I be? Chairman Bancha. Yapon.
Oh, Mpacho.
Me kwadum press meeting.
Is important. The chairman, or you know, a third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Na third national vice chairman of the MPP. Na Rikachi Hende John Rawani Mahama no hold na corruption or fine kusi. She say no, you owe us a state.
You Gabra say.
Oh,
the next elections no end this year. Form candidate be or corrupt be munko.
Chairman, is Mahama corrupt?
You have said here, you yourself.
Somebody.
No, you.
He's asking
is
you.
He corrupt?
Unim. Your friend be. Yes, I kind Nankawefua. Penny or
no, but Chairman, is he corrupt?
Penny or
stop there.
Matthias, but is he corrupt?
Opinion there. No, let him land. It's what kind of Nankawefua about it.
I'm not saying him.
Mumbu Dambe.
I am talking about himself. I am talking about himself.
And you must say my way.
I am talking about himself.
Debbie.
Hey,
7.5 million
plus 2 million, 9.5. NT.
Mate.
Nangari
facility no war
takrade na wa approving our to MD not sure the unknown overstanding. He take the sole responsibility for them transaction on the memo he wrote with them one payment voucher na yen na yen. O mari wa there is he saying that them on Ankana already them 9.5 million onye nitinyi President Akufo-Addo. And the president of Akufo-Addo nche wa for $9.5 million. That's what he's saying. Is that what he's saying? Your friend Ejaku, he Otro he my president also misleading. Adam into your number Ejaku Wufin. Them Nimpa no read them Nankan and Nankan on your flash staff house on order. Cash for seats saga ya Himuai. Our man Penyimba Kennedy. Boston somehow bay or man Penyu Oyi Boston MD Fio. And them you can say where you need it. Are you telling me then are you telling me that President Akufo-Addo of the corruption?
On the directly he went he was
now or die waiting for flash staff house. Another or Mariwa de Pedo catch them there. On Nangaso Nim de Sisi or Abema. corruption or Kodu aye can once me. O my pain and Ado Danko Akufo-Addo fi bri to bri.
Chief Yampo.
Oba Punch and then MPP Fusha was the kind of president we have in the day corruption never will change there. But president told us that he has the men. Say I mean you can say minim send men no you want buy or here first badge na was it sending now nankasa onyim ho suba amana nankasa benya second badge and one do onyim there he has the men. We don't know. Why they see when you talk.
But as a Catholic Institute of Business and Technology, adumonline.com, Star Assurance, Samanak Real Estate, Cindy Rice, GCB Bank, your bank for life, Cowbell Gold. May say, I am appealing to Chief of Staff. Bost, President Beka said, were clear. Openi obeying. Bost. Nipa ya clear no yenyinadi. Then they see biomunti ma president be yi papa nadi. Minim. Sa report no ye here nipa kuna yesi odada president first investigations. My president Beka say wa clear na the president be hu say nipa na wadada ne biom. Ye pese ye hu adeko no.
Now why you should get this report.
I don't have it.
Contact your people there.
Debbie, that is different.
We told you the report, you didn't believe it.
Oh, it's not a matter of believing or not. The president said he has been cleared.
Yes.
Onyem from Subia.
Yes.
But something happened.
Were you there at the media press?
I was not there. But something happened. And the president came back to say that Wayini Panedi. Why? You clear him and you sack him.
No.
Or the clearing was to sack him.
No, he has cleared him.
Okay.
Why
so
that is the way they are.
Okay.
They are now clear.
Okay.
Happy
happy birthday, Nkoma Linda Matthews. Oh, Engine Ghana. Happy birthday. Sounds like Miss Millicent Yabibi. Procurement Officer Walk Gapson Pharmacy. Ewo Koforidia. If you Papa Mr. George at Taraboy or your CEO. Ewo Gapson Pharmacy. No George. Miss Belina. Also your accountant and Esther. Ewo Equipe Senior High School.
Me pros neighbor, happy birthday. Why? A good day.
A good day, happy birthday.
A good day, church member.
A good day. I also
Methodist member.
I friend is saying, as a man can so baby, a good day. Police.
Sunday, some papa. I be saying, you coach.
Akos, abehwe ma Jimmy Sim fufu na sisi ade El Totigo for yimi kecha.